There was a proud merchant who lived in a small village. He is a miser too. He never helped the needy or the poor. He always made more money and saved it for himself. He treated the rich with more respect, and he treated people lower than him very badly. He even criticized them. This merchant has a lovely daughter and he loved her so much. He bought her everything she asked. He never said no to her. His love and care for her are unlimited. He looked after her very well all the time. One day, the merchant, along with his family, went to a temple on the occasion of his daughter's birthday. After worshipping God, the merchant gave some good amount of money to Pandit, who performed rituals to God and blessed his daughter to live a long life. The daughter looked at the beggars and she felt pity and asked her father to give it to the beggars. Then the father took her into his hands and told her not to do so, as they are lower people and they should not be given any help. The daughter did not say a word and kept silent and got down from her father, and they started going out of the temple, and the beggars kept asking for alms. And they moved forward ignoring the beggars, and a beggar was in starvation, and he went near them and asked for alms. Unexpectedly, the hand of the beggar touched the daughter of the merchant, and the merchant in anger kicked the beggar so hard, even though he apologized. The poor beggar fell on the ground, and the people crowded there to find what happened. Even the merchant criticized and abused beggar badly. The beggar, with his face down, sat on the ground and did not get up because of pain. The merchant started explaining the situation to one of his rich neighbors who came to the temple, and the daughter saw an ice cream shop, and this is on the opposite side of the temple at a little distance. The daughter started crossing the road, which is full of moving vehicles. The merchant didn't see it, and he was immersed in chat. While crossing the road, a car was approaching towards the merchant's daughter. The beggar, who was lying on the ground, saw this and ran and picked the daughter and fell on the ground. The car stopped, spreading the dust around, and everyone looked at the incident. And even the merchant saw his daughter and ran towards her. And the beggar in fear left the daughter, who is crying, and sat aside and apologized again to the merchant for touching his daughter. The merchant understood what happened, and he felt guilty of the way he treated the beggar earlier. Even though the beggar has nothing to do with helping his daughter, he still helped her and saved her from the accident. Even though he has got nothing, his heart is filled with kindness, which is the true richness. The merchant took his daughter into his hands with tears in his eyes. He apologized to the beggar for his rude behavior and gave a good amount of money to his daughter to give it to the beggar. The daughter gave the money with a smiling face, and the beggar took the money joyfully, as he need not worry about his hunger anymore. This experience taught the merchant a great lesson for life. He learned that he has to treat everyone with equal respect, and he always has to help the needy. From that day, he was no more a miser. He became kind and helped the needy and even contributed to charities. Moral: treat everyone well with equal respect, even the lowest ones, and always help who is lower than you. Even in human life, this moral has to be applied. Treat every human being equally, even though they are lower than you and they can't do anything for you. Don't be so proud of being in a superior position in life. Be kind and always help others. You have a superior life so that you can uplift people and bring happiness into their lives. Your happiness you get is from family and society. So to be happy, make sure even others around you are happy. Help them in the way you can. You need not to be rich or powerful to help others. You need to be kind, and that's enough to make a difference in others' life and your life. Stay kind, stay happy. If you like the story, share it with your friends and family. And for more motivation, follow Get Inspired Today. Thank you.